Alright guys, so it's 100 degrees outside. This is what I'm getting out of mine. This vintage AC. You're hearing that beeping because it's trying to say that my battery is at 11. This is what I'm getting on a reading. I haven't, like I said, I'm not even moving up this stationary. Like I said, this is what it is. Hold on. I know that ain't the right temperature, but that's what it's saying is outside. This on the low side. This on the high side. Got the water dripping out, not right there with it red, that's not water. This is what water is. It's not water either, guys. I need to move.